Morning everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. 2nd of July. I know it's easy to tell that we're into summer because it's chucking it down with rain. And anyway, at the allotment, going to be lifting the Hardneck garlics. So let's turn the camera around, shall we? So our original plan was to lift these last week before rust really set in, but did my back in, so that stopped all play on the allotment, well, on basically everything. So today, first opportunity to get up here and lift them basically, and yeah, obviously it's chucking it down with rain, has been. Now, one, they need lifting because they're full of rust, and if you saw the Softneck garlic video, then you would see that that happened also to the Softnecks, which when they're like this, where they got no green leaf showing, then they're not going to be able to photosynthesize and therefore can't grow anymore. Equally, you'll notice scapes have formed, and I've had pulled off a load last week when I nipped up for some watering, but the scapes have formed or forming, and that on hardnecks is well, this time of year is really a sign that they're under stress, and that is because, well, really the weather has not been particularly suitable for garlic growing this year. It's just relentless, this weather. Yeah, literally plan is start lifting them variety at a time. So we'll be starting off with that, and they're in their rows of sort of 3 rows of each variety, and I'm going to be lifting them and popping them into the mushroom crates there, and then they can go into the shed to dry with the Softnecks. Well, that's the first variety lifted, Chesnok. I can only hope that the rest improve in size. Otherwise, they're going to be having a lot of garlic this winter. So excuse the noise of the diggers behind me, but is what it is. Now, I've got to say, I'm not happy with these. These are really poor as well, same as the Softnecks were earlier last month. So Kingsland Wight there, some varying sizes, Carcassonne Wight, Porcelain, Chesnok Wight or Chesnok Wight, and Eden Rose. Now my Eden Rose were poor last year, and this year they were poor. Now, given that hardneck garlic varieties should be larger in size with fewer cloves than Softnecks, I would say that these are probably very similar to the Softnecks. You know, certainly when you look at the division in that bulb, pretty poor. And equally you can see there that actually there's not a lot of division at all, and indeed quite a few of these on first glance look like they're rounds, as in this still one solid piece, which really I think sums up where the season's been. You know, so like these are definitely rounds, they're just a singular bulb of garlic rather than going into division. And like I say, that sums up where the season's been in the UK, in as much as it's just been cold and wet, certainly wet from time of planting back in the autumn to May, and then say even now we're 2nd of July and got rain again today. Temperatures haven't really got up there, light levels have been low, and it's just been too cold, certainly too cold for getting a decent crop of garlic. And so for 2024, this is my hardnecks. So yeah, I'll get these to the shed and might as well clean them up whilst the weather's rubbish. So that is it, that's the video done. Hardneck garlic harvest done for 2024, well, in the main beds anyway. If you've got any questions, then obviously please send them to me. If you've got any tips of how you've done better than me in the UK, please send them to me. If you like what I'm doing, then please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so don't miss out on the future videos I'm doing. And I always say it, but it's so true, just enjoy yourself, have fun, and even in the rain, just make the most of it. Get out there, enjoy yourself. Till next time, bye for now.